Hello, YouTube and the rest of the world. This is the.
YouTube or Facebook?
It's YouTube. Oh. This is the Becca and Moises Daily Show. It's our first ever, where we show you recipes we make here from home out of scratch. Today we're doing tortas. Got the beans going here. What's over there, Becca?
From scratch. It's way too hot. Better burn the beans, dude.
She's a great cook too. Let me introduce you to our dogs. Here's Oliver, my baby boy. And we got these over here. We got Papas. And that's Fats. Show you some of the outside world. Nice cloudy day. I can't wait to try this. You know, we got the N64 right there. Whenever we're bored, play Mario Kart. The outside world.